So today we're playing Granny again. Hold on, guys. Okay, here we go. Weapon key, yeah! Part of a shotgun. Ah, Granny's coming! No! Oh, for goodness sake! Yeah, that's right. She stupid Granny. What happened? This guy was trapped in Granny's sewer? You did realize you could eat the melon, right? I don't know how he starved to death. Ah! Jeez, scared the heck out of me. I hear something. What is this? I'm gonna need that key, Crow. Ah, Grady came. Okay, great. Yeah, that's right. Granny asked me to protect it. I hate the dumb bird. We're gonna have to try this again, guys. Alright, we need that freeze trap. What, there's also a freeze trap? Okay, I'm gonna use this on Granny. Oh, hey, what you got there? You're not gonna freeze a birdie now, are you? No, of course not. I'm gonna freeze Granny instead. Oh no, don't do that. She's gonna get you. I don't care, bird. Oh jeez, that was stupid. Granny's coming. I'm gonna get you. Ah! What the? She broke to pieces. Let's do it again. When Granny spawns, we're going to put it right here. Meat, that's for upstairs. What do we got? Nothing here. Microwave maybe, monster key. Winch handle. Granny got frozen. I got frozen. Where's she? I'm so cold. Run to me. Can't push her. I want to break her to pieces. Come on. Oh, I broke her to pieces. Alright, we need the shotgun pieces. Because I need to get that safe key in order to freeze the stupid bird. Yeah, now we're part of the. It's the part of the shotgun. Hey, come on, I'm a Teddy. Come on, pick me up. No, Teddy, if I pick you up, Granny's gonna go crazy. That made noise. Granny got frozen again. Sorry about that, guys. I know you wanted to see Granny get frozen. Last part of the shotgun. Yep, Granny broke to pieces. I heard it. Now, the last part of the shotgun. Oh, okay. Great. Wonderful. Granny was right there. Oh, come on. What a waste of a day. I shouldn't have gotten caught. Oh, sucks. Granny, I'm gonna get you. You are going to pay for that, lady. Right.
You want to play hide and seek?
Alright, let's do this shotgun piece. And we're gonna shoot the bird. No, come on! You stupid. What another waste of a day. Day 4, come on! Granny, you are going to get it. You deserve this. Not me. Gee, stupid Granny. Stupid, stupid. Alright, we're gonna shoot this stupid bird. Oh, what you got there? You're not gonna shoot a birdie now, are you? Oh, no, of course not. Die, you stupid bird! Guys, I think I made Granny mad. No, Granny's going, how dare you kill my birdie! That's right, get frozen. Stupid Granny. Well, anyway, guys, that is it for me playing Granny. Hope you liked it. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.